Okay, this is Riker. He's my second demo dog. Ready? Seek! Alert! Good boy! Good job. Okay, seek. You gonna keep looking? Alert! Good boy. Good boy. Good job. Okay, seek. Alert! Good boy. Good boy. Okay, seek. Alert! Good job. Good job, buddy. Okay, seek. Seek. You got that one. Okay. He's unsure of the floor. He's not as strong as he used to be, so he's really careful to not be slipping right now. There's up under the behind me, right up under there, under the bees is where the hide is. You can see he gets close to it, but then he has to jump up to get it. Alert! I'm not gonna make him jump up because this floor is really slick. Good boy. All right, seek. So this room, this whole room is blank. We'll see how he does with this. He's picking up the odor from the door frame and he goes, oh yeah, I already found that one. But you can see he's actually slipping a little bit here on this floor. It's just so slick. He's like, is there water in here? Is there water in this one? How about food in there? Oh, what a great distractions. That's food. Ah, he left it. That was food too. Hey. Are you acting like a puppy? Oh, silly boy. Yeah, he's found all the odor in this room, but he hasn't looked at everything. You're so cute. There's nothing here. You want to go check out the kitchen? How about all the buckets? You want to check the buckets? Did you check all the chairs? I don't think you checked all the chairs. I also don't think you went up on the stage. All right, you want to come up? You want me to help you? Come on, Riker. Riker. I gotcha. There we go. Check the corners. See if there's anything hidden. All right. I'll help you down. Come here. Come on. Nice and easy. There we go. Okay. Seek. Keep looking. Good boy. Yeah, he's really going. There's nothing here. So, wait, we haven't checked the kitchen. Come on, go check the kitchen. So unlike Keela, he needs a little bit more support in that he needs me to move into areas because sometimes he drives into them and sometimes he doesn't. He has not gone down the hallway, so I'm going to walk into the hallway so he checks it out. That's the women's bathroom. Wait, it was probably smelling was my hand when I shut the door. And this is where he goes, I found all this stuff before. You got that one. Good boy. Come on. All right. All right. Big ol' yawn. All right. You want to go outside? That was a big old time suck, huh? Okay, nice and easy. You ready? Seek. I have nothing. You have to find it. Did you find something? That looks like something there, huh? There's nothing there though. Seek. boy. Good boy. Good job. Can you find one more? There's one more out here. Zeke. Can you find it? Zeke? Where? Show me. Show me. Can you get it? Where is it? Okay, where is it? Show me. Come on. Is it up here? Good boy. So I'm actually going to end up putting some blue tape there because the dogs really seem to think there's something interesting there and there's not. I want you to go around and check the trailer. Zeke. Is there nothing? In the pipes. All right, that's it. Good boy.